My Claude code can instantly watch any video. Here's how: most AI video summary tools on the market are completely blind. When you feed them a 45-minute tech talk, they only read the transcript. This means they miss 50% of the critical information. If a speaker points to a retention graph and says this is where startups die, the AI has no idea what this is. In a multimodal era, summarizing without visual context is useless. The local hacker solution: you don't need to pay for expensive APIs like Gemini 1.5 Pro to process video. We can build an unstoppable, nearly free pipeline using two battle-tested command line tools, YTDLP and FMPEG. A video is essentially just two things: frames and a transcript. First, we use YTDLP to instantly download the video stream and official free subtitles from over 1,000 different sites. Second, we run FMPEG locally to silently extract high-res screenshots every few seconds. If the video doesn't have subtitles, the script automatically calls Grok or OpenAI's Whisper API to transcribe the audio for pennies. The Matrix moment: the magic happens when we put these two together. The script feeds Claude the synchronized timestamped transcript alongside up to 100 keyframes. Claude flips through the screenshots like a flipbook while reading the script. By the time you've hit play, Claude has already watched the whole thing. It doesn't just know what was said, it knows exactly what happened on screen. And because we cap the frame extraction at 100 images, processing a 2-hour-long video costs you about $1 in API credits. 3 killer use cases. First, content research. Drop a competitor's viral video and ask Claude to analyze the visual hook and script simultaneously. Second, UI debugging. Feed a 30-second screen recording of a front-end crash and ask Claude to pinpoint the exact frame the Z-index state changed. Third, automating your second brain. Run this script over industry podcasts and push structured, charted notes directly into your Obsidian vault. Stop paying for expensive AI wrappers. Wire up your CLI and let your LLM grow eyes.